Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize Wix product page. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to wix.com and log in using your user credentials. After you log in, you'll be on your Wix dashboard. On the dashboard, choose the site that you want to edit and click on the design site button at the top right corner. Now, you'll be automatically navigated to your Wix website editor, where you will see your website appearing. And you can edit all the sections, the footer, header, and all the text, images, and everything that will be available on your website. Now, in order to fully customize your Wix product page, simply navigate to the product page. So, this is my product page. I will have to just click on the quick edit button at the top left corner. Now I'll be able to change my section background for my product page. So I can click on change and choose a background for my product page. I can choose among any one of these. So choose a picture that suits your product page, and you can also choose a color, image, or a video for your background. I'm just going to choose this image. Now go back and you can change the title of your product page. Now after entering a new text in the title section, that will appear just right here. You can make this title bold, italic, or underline just by clicking on these buttons. Now scroll down and you can add the paragraph for your product page by entering the text here. Now you can click on manage products button just right here, and you'll be able to manage all the products that will be available in your inventory for your website. So as you can see, we are just getting navigated to products page. It is available under the catalog section. Now what you can do is enter a new product by clicking on the plus new product button. Choose whether you're going to add a physical product or digital product. So choose physical product, then you'll be navigated to another page where you can enter the product's name at the top, click on add images, click on upload media, click on upload from computer, and choose a picture of your product. After that, click on add to page and your product's image will be uploaded on Wix. Now you can choose all these settings at the right side of the screen. That is show in online store, show in point of sale. You can add categories, create categories. You can choose the marketing and SEO by creating coupon, promoting this product, or editing the SEO setting of this product. Now you can navigate to the product info page and enter a new name for your product, enter a ribbon, or enter a description for your product. Click on generate AI text, and in this section enter what your product is about and click on create text. After you click on create text, it will generate a description text for your product. Click on use text and that text will be added in the description. You can also enter your description if you wish. Now scroll down and navigate to add an info section. Click on add an info and you'll be able to add information regarding your product, that is your information section title and the description. After it's done, click on OK. Now scroll down and you'll be able to add a price for your product. So enter the price in this section. Choose whether it's on sale or not. If you toggle this switch on that is on sale, you'll have to choose how much percentage of discount are you given. Now Wix will calculate the percentage and will show how much profit you're going to make on this product and the margin, also the sale price that people are going to see on Wix website. Now click on add custom field and you'll be able to add any kind of field to your product page. We're not going to do that. So we'll navigate to product options, click on add option and choose what kind of option you want to give for your product, whether it's going to be a color or size for your product. Now if you choose size, you can choose whether you're going to show this product page as list or color. So I'm going to choose list. Now type in choices for this option. Choose separate choices with commas, that is a small, medium or large, and click on add. Now in the inventory and shipping, choose whether this product is in stock or out of stock. You can enter the stock keeping unit, that is a unique code you can create for each product or variant you have in your store. Using SKUs helps with tracking inventory. So enter the SKU and navigate to shipping weight. Here, you'll have to enter the weight of your product. After doing this, you can choose if you want to track inventory or not. Now, in the subscription option, you can click on create a subscription and you can easily offer your product on a recurring basis using this option. Click on create a subscription and enter your subscription's name, a tagline that is optional. Now enter the subscription detail, whether it repeats every 1 week, month or year. Now choose when this product expires. You can also custom choose this option. You can choose to give a discount if someone buys your subscription and choose a price. After you're done, click on apply, and you would have successfully added a subscription for your product on your product page. After doing all these, click on save button and you would have successfully edited your product page. Now navigate back to your Wix product page. Click on pages and menu option at the left. Here, edit these pictures by navigating to the product page and adding another image. Now you can also navigate to this section. Click here, click on settings, and you'll be able to choose another slider gallery for your product page. So choose which category to display. So choose all products. Now you can create a new product category or click on manage categories. Now navigate to your product page, click anywhere and click on the settings button. Now you'll be able to change the category, enter a display to the settings. So if you choose layout, you'll be able to choose the general layout, the product grid, that is the grid's behavior, whether it's going to be fixed or responsive. Now you can choose the columns you have for your product. Products per load is spacing between columns and spacing between rows. After this, choose design and you'll be able to edit your product info on this page. You can choose how do you want to show your product name and font and color. Click on custom. Now choose a style and choose another kind of heading for your product. After choosing this, you can click on fonts and choose another kind of font for your product to be shown. As you can see, the font is also changing. You can change the font size by taking this small circle, scrolling it to the right or left. Now choose SEO and accessibility. Click on change heading tag and choose another tag for your product. Now you can also edit how regular price and font color is shown. Click here and choose another kind of heading. Choose another font, and as you can see, the font for pricing is also changing. You can increase the font size, make it bold, italic or underlined. After doing this, you can enter the tax and shipping information, font and color. Click here, choose the style, choose what kind of font it is going to show and increase the font size. Now, you can also choose the strike through price and font color, sale price font and color, and discount name font and color just by navigating to the grid gallery. Click on text and you'll be able to change the button text, that is add to cart text here, and enter another text and that will be shown under your products page. After it's done, click on pre-order button text and you can enter any other text if you wish. You can also edit this out of text button. Now navigate to quick view and see that you can change the border and background color of your product page. So you can choose the border opacity and color here. Click on background color, choose another color, and that color will be shown as background for that product. You can also enter the button text, font and color, button is style here. So for example, if I choose this button is style, it is going to change the kind of button that is going to show in the quick view. So you can do all these editings after navigating to product page, clicking on quick edit and navigating to layout, or you can also edit the content, or just click on the change design button, or just click on this design button and you'll be able to do that. So that's how you customize Wix product page. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.